Radishes, spicy little root rockets. They go from seed to salad faster than your delivery order. They're crunchy, colorful, and give your garden that "I totally know what I'm doing" look, even if you planted them by accident. But here's the deal. Even though radishes are beginner-friendly, they still have feelings. And if you mess up the timing, spacing, or watering, they'll ghost you underground and give you nothing but leaves and heartbreak. In this video, you'll learn when and where to plant, how to grow crisp, juicy radishes that don't split or bolt, what soil radishes crave, the classic mistakes that make your radish dreams go sideways, and how to harvest without yanking a sad, stringy root. And of course, the strong Echo AI gardening app is here to walk you through it. Spacing, watering, pests, and more, all in one place. Comment Radish Rookie or Root Rebel based on your vibe. Hit that like button if you've ever forgotten where you planted something and been surprised by a root vegetable. We see you. Let's grow radishes. Fast, furious, and fabulous. Because, friends, you can grow it. Chapter 1. Why Radishes Rock. Radishes are the ADHD plant of your garden. They grow in 3 to 6 weeks, make you feel accomplished, and come in all kinds of shapes and flavors. Popular varieties: Cherry Belle, classic red round radish, matures in 22 days. Easy and spicy. French breakfast, mild, oblong, Instagram-worthy. Daikon, big, white, slow-growing, less spicy. Watermelon radish, green outside, hot pink inside, stylish. Chapter 2. When to plant. Timing is everything. Radishes love cool weather. Plant them in the wrong season and they'll turn into spicy disappointment. Ideal planting times. Early spring, 2 to 4 weeks before last frost. Fall, 6 to 8 weeks before first frost. They hate the heat. Warm weather makes them bolt, which sounds cool but means they'll grow flowers instead of bulbs. Mistakes to avoid. Planting midsummer equals no radishes, just leaves. Waiting too long to harvest equals woody roots. Forgetting you planted them equals unintentional radish mummies. Chapter 3. Soil and spacing. Set them up for success. Radishes are roots. If the soil is bad, they'll come out weird, split, or not at all. Soil tips. Light, loose, well-draining soil. Avoid rocks, clumps, or heavy clay. pH 6.0, 7.0. Add compost, but go easy on nitrogen. Too much equals leafy tops, no root. Spacing. Plant seeds. ½ inch deep. Space 1 inch apart. Thin to 2 inches apart once they sprout. Mistakes to avoid. Soil too hard equals radish can't expand. Crowding equals weird shapes and no room to grow. Planting too deep equals slow germination or no root. Chapter 4. Watering and growing on. Radishes want consistent water, not extremes. Watering tips. Keep soil moist, but not soggy. Water at the base. Leaves don't need a shower. Mulch lightly to retain moisture and reduce weeds. Mistakes to avoid. Letting soil dry out equals spicy, cracked roots. Overwatering equals soggy, split radishes. Inconsistent watering equals split, pithy, or hollow roots. Chapter 5. Pests and Leaf Drama. Even radishes have haters. Common pests. Flea beetles. Tiny holes in leaves. Aphids. Soft green suckers on stems. Root maggots. Lay eggs in the soil and destroy roots. Defenses. Use floating row covers right after sowing. Plant companion herbs like mint or dill nearby. Use diatomaceous earth to prevent maggots. Mistakes to avoid. Skipping row covers equals flea beetle buffet. Not rotating crops equals bug deja vu. Ignoring chewed leaves equals total root loss later. Chapter 6. When to harvest. Don't blink. Radishes are impatient. They mature fast, and then decline even faster. Signs it's go time. Round top of the radish is visible above the soil. The diameter is about 1 inch, or whatever your variety calls for. They feel firm, not soft, squishy, or oops, I left it too long. How to harvest. Loosen soil if it's compact. Gently pull from the base. Brush off dirt, but don't wash until ready to eat. Mistakes to avoid. Leaving radishes too long equals woody, hollow, bitter. Waiting for them to get bigger equals they won't, they'll bolt. Pulling without loosening soil equals broken radish, broken heart. Chapter 7. Storage and radish life beyond the garden. Radishes are fresh and crunchy for a while. Fridge storage. Cut off greens to prevent moisture loss. Store unwashed in a produce bag. Will last 1 to 2 weeks in the crisper drawer. Bonus. Pickle them. Radishes make an amazing tangy topping for tacos, bowls, sandwiches, or I need a snack with a personality. Use the Strong Echo app and get recipes for pickled radishes, roasted radishes, and radish top pesto. Yes, really. Radishes are the snack-sized superheroes of your garden. You planted, watered, thinned, pulled, and now you've got spicy, crunchy little victory roots in under a month. Comment Radish Ruler if you've got a harvest, or Root Awakening if your last batch flopped. Get the Strong Echo AI gardening app and get any radish growing question answered instantly. Because quick harvest or long game, you can grow it. Get the most out of your growing season. Troubleshoot any problem with our AI gardening buddy. Hello, AI buddy. I have 3 m2 space left in a shady spot. What can I grow there? Don't include herbs.
Although many vegetables and fruits prefer full sun, there are several types of plants that can tolerate and even thrive in shady spots. Leafy greens, spinach, Swiss chard, and kale don't need as much sunlight as some other vegetables.
Get as specific as you need. Hello, AI buddy. It's June in the Netherlands. I'm going on a trip for 5 days. What are some garden watering tips to keep my plants healthy?
If you're going away for a few days, here are some tips to help ensure your garden stays hydrated. 1. Deep watering. A few days before you leave, give your garden a deep watering. This means watering your plants more than you usually would.
Describe your unique situation and let our AI gardening buddy solve your problems. Hello, AI buddy. I don't have a lot of mulch. What is the best way to get mulch without spending a lot of money?
Many towns and cities offer free or cheap mulch made from recycled leaves or wood chips. Contact your local waste facility or public works department to see if they offer this service. Always remember to ask about the source of the mulch to avoid introducing disease or pests into your garden.
Our AI doesn't just provide answers. It helps you see the bigger picture, highlighting key factors you need to consider for smarter decisions. Try it for free on app.strongecho.com. We all have limited space to grow our crops. We all have just a couple of months in a growing season. Use our AI gardening buddy to get the most out of your garden. You can grow it.